Let me tell y'all, these lashes are life. I can't even tell you where I got them from. Hi y'all, welcome back to Rock Natural, and I'm coming to you today with a new video. In this video, you're gonna be able to see how to do a makeup, no makeup look, which may not even be a thing, but it's just an easy way of saying like a light, easy, quick makeup look where, like for me, I have like the natural highlight and then I have like dark here, as you can see, and it's just me enhancing that a little bit more, but not putting on like a full face of makeup necessarily. So if you're new to my channel, be sure to hit the subscribe button down below. You can expect beauty, makeup, hair, lifestyle, women empowerment, all on my channel. If you want to learn more, be sure to check out my trailer. I'll put a card here and it'll also be in the description down below. Be sure to hit that subscribe button so you can come with me along on this journey, and let's get right into this video. So anytime I'm doing this type of makeup look, I want to make sure that I prep my face. And so I already cleaned my face, put the toner on, and put on some moisturizer. But even after doing that, I like to use some setting spray and some other facial primer things that help with oily skin. So for me, I have oily skin, and so the first thing I'm going to do is use this Urban Decay Rebound Spray, and then this is just great for smoothing and making my skin look radiant. So I'm going to spray a little bit of this. Ooh, feel refreshed. Next, I'm going to be using this Smashbox Minimizing Pore primer, and then this is good for me because sometimes I have really large pores, but then also for any harsh lines. So just take a little bit of that. But there's so many primers and other products that you can use to kind of prep your face. I like to just use ones that help with minimizing pores, especially if I'm not doing like a full face. It's important in general just to set your face and really prep the skin. This is really just like the difference between a really good makeup application and then an okay makeup application, and that's really just the prep, right? Okay, so now that I have this minimizing pore on my skin, I'm ready to get started. So in some cases, like let's say you have a lot of blemishes, you want to make sure that you use some type of foundation that has medium to full coverage. If I were using foundation today, I'm not going to be using foundation because I have pretty good skin for the most part, and I just want it to be really lightweight. And you know, so you want to use the medium to full coverage foundation so that when it's just like a light layer and it really just blends into your skin and it doesn't look like you have like this large layer of foundation on. So you can use the Smashbox foundation. This is one that's pretty good. Since I'm skipping the foundation, let's jump right into, you have to make sure that your eyebrows are done. So for my eyebrows, I just did like a real natural brow, and the key with this look is not to do like super sculpted eyebrows. It's more to do just like a more natural looking eyebrow, which is what I did here. And I did use this Anastasia Beverly Hills eyebrow pencil, and I did a review on this, so I will leave that video down below so you can check it out if you haven't already. Next, now that we're done with the eyebrows, moving on. So next I'm going to be using concealer. There's two types of concealers, or there's two brands of concealers I might use for this video. I haven't decided, but you do want to have the same concept where it's like a medium to full coverage concealer. For this video, I'm either going to use the Born This Way concealer in sand, or I'm going to use a Tarte Shape Tape concealer in medium tan. And when I'm doing this, I'm only going to do it underneath my eyes. I'm not going to do the whole T-zone type thing. And I mean, if you're not going for, if you don't want there to be any highlight, like I said, I have like a natural highlight underneath my eyes. But if you do not want there to be a highlight, you could choose a concealer that is exactly like your skin color and then use that underneath your eyes. So I'm going to be taking this Real Technique brush and I'm just going to be blending this out and taking it down around. So look at the difference. This is giving me just like a real good coverage, and then this side not yet, but don't worry because we're moving on to it now. And then you could take excess product and just put it like over your nose. Okay, look at this difference. Okay, it's already looking so much better. So now that we have the concealer, I mean, you can set it with just like a face powder, or you can leave be. I mean, if you have oily skin, you obviously want to set it, but I like this glow look I have going here. Next, you want to make sure that you're using some type of bronzer. Not necessarily like a contour. I just really want to warm up my face in this area a little bit just to give it some color. And so I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills bronzer in the shade Saddle. I love this product because it just warms up my face so good and so perfect. So I'm going to be taking this brush from BH Cosmetics and I'm going to be bronzing my face. So when I'm bronzing, I mean, it's really up to you how crazy you want to get, but I like to just stick to the same areas. I also like it to look like I actually put on some bronzer. Okay, see the difference? This is just really warming up my face. And then this side needs some depth, but as you can see, bam. And I'm still not gonna do like any harsh lines, so I'm just taking this concealer brush to blend out any of the harshies. And like I said, I have like a natural dark, like hollow area. And so I just like to enhance that a little bit. And then just a little on my forehead, because as you can see, it's already like naturally. I have like a highlight here and a dark here, so I just like to enhance that. I mean, it's like a very light makeup look. It should only take you, the reason why it's taking me a little bit longer is because I'm talking through it, but in reality, it should only take you 10 minutes or less to complete this look. Next, you gotta make sure, I mean, you can leave it like this, but for me, most people have natural or fake eyelashes that are just really long and they throw on some mascara and call it a day. You can do that. You can use some plumping mascara. This is a mascara from Buxom, and this is their Big T's plumping mascara. It works great to enhance those natural lashes. And so for me, I'm going to be using this on the bottom. On the top, for me, your girl has to throw on some eyelashes because I just do not have like that natural long lash. And so you can use really dramatized lashes like you see here, or you can use more natural lashes that you may have. And those are ones that I use on my clients a lot if they're going for a more natural look. We're done with the face. And so I'm going to be using this Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray just to set it in, and just, I love the way how this really just sets the face and blends all the products together. And then we need to do the lips. For the lips, I like to do like a liner and a gloss, and this is just for like a more natural lip, but you can really do any lip that you want. But for this look, we're going to be doing some liner. This is the Morphe liner in Vibes, and I'm gonna line my lip. My lips are really dry right now, and anytime I'm doing my makeup, they just stay dry. And that's okay with me because I'm getting ready to put some gloss on. I have this Ulta gloss, or I really love my Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb, but today I'm just going to be using this. The thing I like about the Fenty is that it has some color, and this is a clear, so I I might also use a colored gloss. This is a pink gloss, nude rose lip gloss from BH Cosmetics, and I want it to be just like a little pink. So if you don't like the liner look, like, you can skip the liner and just throw on some gloss and call it a day. But like I said, I like this look with like a pinkish gloss. Like I said, I usually use my Fenty, but here is the finished look. Oh, JK. I forgot the lashes. I was like, why is this a look not complete? Lashes really make a look, let me tell you. Because I was looking at myself like, wait. Let me tell y'all, these lashes are life. I can't even tell you where I got them from, but look at how it just kind of pulled the whole look together. So like I was saying, mascara can do this, or these lashes. They do not have to be as dramatic as mine, but I love these lashes. And if I'm going somewhere where I don't really need like a full face of makeup, but I still want to look on point, I'm going to throw on these lashes and call it a day. All right, well, now here's the finished look. Well, that is all for this video. I really hope you enjoy. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. This video really just taught you how to do a quick face, light makeup, you know, the no makeup look. That's like a thing. Like, it looks like I have on makeup, but like I don't have on a full face of makeup. I didn't do highlight, I didn't do blush. This is really just like a quick, easy, I need to look cute to go somewhere, meeting really fast. And so, like I said, leave a comment down below if you would rock this look, and I will see you in my next upload. Toodles!